Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop, and today is sticker update number 11. So first of all, an apology to Aid, whose sticker we're going to talk about, as I've had this sticker for many months and I've just just not got around to making a video, so apologies for that, Aid. So let's see if I can zoom in on the sticker. That's the actual sticker, and as you can see up here we've got his channel there. So Aid's he started model engineering in about 2015, I believe it was, and he's got some well, he makes really good videos. They're very enjoyable. He's got a good tone of voice and he can tell a good story with it. It's always a pleasure to listen to, and there's a lot to be learned. Although I've not gone into the world of model engineering really myself, it's very interesting to see what he does, and he's got some really good things for guys who are starting out in that. He's got this really good manifold, so he's got his air compressor connected to this manifold, and then he can run several machines off the manifold just to test them on air, because a lot of the guys test with air and then before they go to steam. And Aid's very good. He's got the 𝗪𝗥𝗦 engines, and he's made several of those of various designs. And he's got a presence on Facebook as well as YouTube, and you can get copies of all his designs to allow you to have a go at making one, if that's what you'd like to do. So yeah, I can't really recommend him too highly really. He's really very good. I think yeah, they are just excellent videos to watch, and Aid's been a good friend to my channel. He designed a load of the thumbnails for me, and yeah, he's been a good friend. So once again, apologies for not making this video sooner. So as we say, he sent me that, and it's quite good, it's quite clever. He's got a QR code so people can scan it and get a link to his channel. He's also gave me, it's also like a business card, so we've got just the same sort of information, and then on the back he's got QR codes for his Facebook and the YouTube thing. So yeah, he's a good man. So I would encourage you all to go over and check out his channel, which I will put in the description below, and so you can all find your way there. So what I'm going to do now is, as I normally do, I'll break away now. I'll add Aid's sticker to my sticker board, and then I'll bring you back and show you him in his new place. All right, so I'll be back in a little while. Hi everyone, so yeah, let's have a quick, so once again that's Aid's channel, so just so you recognise it, and I'll put a link in the description. So there's, give you a quick look at sticker board number 1. So they're all, yeah, definitely been, these guys have been friends to the channel for many years now. So and we go across, we've got sticker board number 2. So interesting, these are in the frames and not in the workshop, because I didn't have a workshop when I started collecting these. So yeah, another load of great guys there. And here's sticker board number 3, and I've put Aid, he's just underneath Joe Pye there. So yeah, so that's good. Another one for the collection. Got quite a few spare spaces there, so if any of you want to do a sticker swap, let me know, and hopefully now I'm back in business a bit more, I can do it in a bit more of a timely manner. So once again, many thanks to Ade for his sticker, and to everyone else here. There'll be a link to the playlists, and in that playlist there'll be all the various sticker updates, and you can catch them. But as before, definitely check out Ade's channel. It's very, very good, very entertaining. Okay, so as always, many thanks for watching. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.